Let's take a look at the true T-72G 79-inch glass door reach-in refrigerator. This 3-section unit hosts a low-E glass front in each door, providing energy-efficient technology for superior insulation. Stainless steel frames the front for a polished and modern finish. Each of the 3 doors opens from a 15-inch handle. The doors swing open and self-close when released, keeping cool air in with little effort. Locks are built into each door to ensure a close watch on inventory during off-peak hours. Inside storage is organized with 9 easily adjustable PVC-coated wire shelves. Set up spacing between shelves to suit your product storage needs. An exterior-mounted temperature monitor allows you to keep a close eye on the interior coldness without wasting energy. The contents of the interior are on clear visual display with bright fluorescent lighting, rendering sharp visibility in any environment. The bottom-mounted compressor retains optimal storage space up top. For the best value in today's food service marketplace, trust True's commitment to using the highest quality materials to help reduce utility costs. Purchase your True T-72G and call your personal account manager at foodservicewarehouse.com today.